Day 23, and it's a W kind of day, a W kind of day. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we've got up, down, up, and then down. Literally a W. I think I may be coming down with something, guys, so bear with me. Not feeling my absolute best, but no days off, no days off. Well, maybe one day off. Oh my gosh, I just looked at the uppercase W there. Oh, tricky. Tricky, tricky. But yeah, I think this W is relatively straightforward. Nothing to shout home about. I don't know, for me the W is a relatively dull letter. I don't know if letters can be dull, but yeah. Sorry if your name begins with W. I literally meant nothing by it. Right, freehand time. Let's release the pressure a little bit. Oops. Going over the lines for some reason there. Oh, I hate writing on the left-hand side of the book. It's so hard sometimes. Just to have to keep my hand here so it just doesn't flip open or flip over. Just me and my pencil, that's all I need. Me and my calligraphy pen, that's all I need. Me and my pens, that is all I need. I was thinking it and I said it. No other reason than that. I let that go a little bit at the end. Yeah, so that's the W for you. Now let's get to the uppercase W. So we are going here, up, looping and up. So this is like a double V, I would say, rather than a double U. This uppercase W. It's giving double V vibes. Okay, I don't think the loop is going to be as hard as I thought it was going to be. But we'll see when I have to do it freehand. I might just leave these last ones because it's literally too hard to write on the edge of the book, so I have to compromise on that and just leave those two alone. Actually, I don't even know if I can. The perfectionist in me is not wanting to leave that blank, even though it's going to be difficult. Yeah, I can't do it. I've got to do it. Got to do it. It's not too bad. Excuse me, guys. Okay. Oh, freehand time. Bit too pointy there. Oops. Too far down. Do you know what? I take it back. This W is hella fine, especially this uppercase W. It is hella fine. It's actually really lovely to write. There's an easiness to it that I love. Right, so last row. No, this is actually quite fun. I really enjoyed this uppercase W. I'm really learning to release that deadly grip that I have and let it flow a little more naturally. And we are done, day 23. 3 more to go. See you tomorrow.